Hello and welcome to Survey Drones. My name is Wayne Floyd, and for those who don't know me, I am the Chief Drone Instructor Examiner for Survey Drones. Today we're going to discuss about using LiDAR for public safety missions. Law enforcement, search and rescue, firefighting, accident investigation and natural disaster response are all essential factors of public safety. In each, drones already have been deployed to help in various ways to maximise the support ground teams in efficiency of the drone safety missions. So LiDAR, which basically stands for light detection and ranging, is a remote sensing technique in which light is sent from a sensor into the environment. If this light, which is essentially a small bundle of electromagnetic energy, bounces off an object in the environment, it may then be received by the same sensor. This is then calculated at a point in a given 3D space or coordinate system. Many thousands of these points generated each second can rapidly make up a dense point cloud. So let's look at what an aerial-based LiDAR platform can achieve today in public safety. So fire and explosion investigations, from house fires to full forest fires, these can cause significant damage and can easily threaten life. After fire has done its damage, investigators must determine the point of origin of the fire, what the cause was, and then document the extent of that damage that has been caused. With a drone-based LiDAR sensors, such as the Zenmuse L1, can rapidly cover the external areas of the fire and cover large areas in minutes. Once a mission is complete, investigators have a 3D point cloud from which the scene can be visualized and measured even after the building has been demolished. The traditional manual tape measures are often a time-consuming task, and depending on weather and how safe the site is will determine the result. The ability to measure windows and doors and dimensions can help determine how the building is ventilated, and 3D models can even be used to generate flow models to show how the fire likely spread. This is also important for an explosion forensic investigation team. After an explosion, it is very important to determine the direction and distance in which the objects have been travelled after detonation. The split the distance that can be reflected in the 3D point cloud. This is the perfect example of how drone-based LiDAR such as the Zenmuse L1 can be used to map an area and greatly help investigators. Even the best investigators are likely to have omissions. Although LiDAR does not claim to be perfect, it can generally reduce the likelihoods of omissions during investigations. So then we have the likes of accident and crime investigations, from fire and explosions to accidents and crime. LiDAR technology has many of the same benefits across investigations. Taking a motorway collision for example, drone-based LiDAR can rapidly gather the entire incident in an accurate 3D point cloud at any time of the day or night. One of the major benefits of LiDAR over photogrammetry reconstruction of a scene is that LiDAR is an active sensing method. This means that it does not rely on environmental light to acquire a full set of datasets. Its rapid nature means that the data for a full reconstruction can be gathered in a very little time to allow law enforcement to clear the incident and deal with oncoming traffic more efficiently. In a similar fashion, crime scenes can also be reconstructed rapidly within minimal interference of the site. Already, terrestrial LiDAR, more commonly known as laser scan, is being used to reconstruct crime scenes to greatly help forensic teams determine the chain of events. Drone LiDAR mission can be implemented in the same way. However, it has the added advantage of being able to cover large areas quicker. For this data to be allowed or admissible in court, it is not good enough for the operator just to simply know how to fly a drone. They must understand the nature of the data, such as its limitations, its errors, as well as how to verify and ensure accuracy across the dataset. You must be qualified and, simply put, know what they are doing. When it comes to search and rescue, drones can be extremely helpful in search and rescue missions. Regular RGB sensoring and thermal sensoring both have great benefits for these type of missions. However, possibly one of the more overlooked areas is how LiDAR can be added to this arsenal of sensors to help search and rescue teams. During any type of search and rescue mission, time is of crucial importance. Using DJI Zenmuse L1 platform, live LiDAR data can be fed back to the operator and quickly loaded into the software. The rapid deployment of search and rescue teams from arrival on site to point cloud can help search missions greatly, to the point that the LiDAR data can be processed on site very quickly to give an output to the search team so they can go and get their jobs done more effectively. The benefit of LiDAR systems is not only how quick they can be achieved results, but how significant amount of ground that can be covered. However, it is not just about the quantity of ground. LiDAR can accurately determine the terrain with the ability to penetrate vegetation. This increases the probability of victims being discovered and allows search teams to best evaluate the path to get them and remove them from the scene. Natural events and disasters. LiDAR from a drone can help enhance public safety in a range of extreme natural disasters. At the extreme, drone-based LiDAR can evaluate extensively large-scale damage in the aftermath of earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, mudslides and volcanic eruptions. At the other end of this scale, LiDAR can be used for ongoing monitoring and scanning of natural surface structures such as caves and rock faces that may be shifting. The LiDAR data can be used to possibly help identify any change or any movement of these features. This is obviously of crucial importance when a large population could be affected, not just from the risk of life but also the potential disruption to any infrastructure. In a proactive context, potential cost of life and financial loss can be determined. This information can then be used to generate an appropriate risk analysis that is evidence-based, having used the latest technology that the industry can offer. LiDAR can be deployed rapidly and accurately to help quickly determine the extent of life lost, financial loss, destruction of infrastructure and much, much more. Enhanced public safety. Drone-based LiDAR is one of the most recent developments in technology that public safety missions can choose to deploy. Using the latest technology can help increase the effectiveness of any industry. However, it is of particular importance when it comes to public safety. Why? Well, simply put, people's lives and livelihoods can be at risk. LiDAR is one of the several applications that drone technology can provide in enhancing public safety. The DJI's MUSE L1 is available from Survey Drones. Why not give us a call and we can give you more information on this product. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this talk. If you require any information about this product, please feel free to get in touch. We are Ireland's only DJI official silver partner. See ya!